Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome to another question and answer session for MRCS exam. First of all, let's see the question. Here the question. A 25 years old man is stabbed in the groin. The area which lies within the femoral triangle is explored. Which structure forms the lateral wall of the femoral triangle? So first of all, we have to find out the key point from the question, that they want to know about the lateral wall of the femoral triangle, and the man was stabbed in the groin in the femoral triangle area. So first of all, we have to find out the femoral triangle, then the boundary and different content which lies in the femoral triangle. Here the options are adductor longus muscle, pectineus muscle, adductor magnus muscle, sartorius muscle, and conjoint tendon. So we have to find out one of the structure which form the lateral wall or lateral boundary of the femoral triangle. So first of all, here we can see this is a triangle which is the femoral triangle. We can see this is the boundary from here. This is a triangle and this triangle is the femoral triangle, and we can see here that the upper part of base, it is formed by the inguinal ligament. So inguinal ligament, it form base or upper part of the femoral triangle. That we can see this is the lateral side, and lateral side it is formed by this muscle which is the sartorius, and medial wall is formed by this muscle which is the adductor longus, and apex, here this is the apex. This apex is formed by meeting point of these two muscle. One is the sartorius, another one is the adductor longus. So the femoral triangle, it is bounded above by the inguinal ligament, laterally by sartorius, medially by adductor longus, and apex by meeting point of this two muscle. Here this is the femoral triangle. From here we can see this is a triangular area, and within this femoral triangle there are different structures present. First of all, here we can see this is the femoral vein and it is tributaries, femoral artery and it is branches, then femoral nerve and some other nerve such as the lateral femoral cutaneous nerve, lymphatics. They are the content of the femoral triangle, and it is bounded above by a base which is the inguinal ligament, laterally by this muscle which is the sartorius, and medially by the adductor longus muscle. So here this is the another view of boundary of femoral triangle. Here we can see this is the sartorius muscle, and medial border of the sartorius muscle, it form the lateral boundary of the femoral triangle, and medial border of the adductor longus, it form the medial boundary of femoral triangle. Here one important point, that the both muscle medial border, here we can see lateral it also medial border, and medially it also the medial border. So medial and lateral boundary both are formed by the medial border of muscle. Laterally it is sartorius muscle, and medially it is adductor longus muscle. So in both sides, medially and laterally, the boundary is formed by the medial border of a muscle, and base or upper part, it is formed by the inguinal ligament, and apex, it is formed by union of the sartorius and adductor longus muscle. So these are the content of the femoral triangle. They are femoral vein, femoral artery, femoral nerve, superficial and deep inguinal lymph node, lateral femoral cutaneous nerve, great saphenous vein, and femoral branch of the genitofemoral nerve. So they are the content of the femoral triangle. So here our answer is now ready, that the which structure form the lateral wall of the femoral triangle. Lateral wall of femoral triangle, it is formed by the medial border of the sartorius muscle. It is the sartorius muscle, and medial border of the sartorius muscle form the lateral wall of the femoral triangle. Thank you all.